Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the pen tool flames or the hot rod flames. So what you want to do first is you're going to go here to Canvas and you're going to do a right click on the template. You're going to copy the template, copy image. Then we're going to go over to Photoshop and we're going to hit Control N, Enter, Control V. We get the flames. Next, you're going to tap P for pen tool. And up at the top here, you're going to change it from path to shape. Okay, so make sure that it says shape there. Next, we've got fill, and we want no fill. So it's the red diagonal line in the white box. And most importantly, we want to change the color of the stroke. And you can do so by going to Window and down to Swatches and pick something other than blacks or anything gray. And so for this one, I'm going to use the magenta. Now, we got the line weight here, and we want it to be at 5 pixels. So once that's all set, we're going to go down to the bottom of our flame, and we want to be thinking about how many curves we can make before we need a node. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with one curve. I'm going to pull up a node. And again, what you'll want to do here is you're going to hold the Alt key with the antenna. Okay, so see how elongated the antenna can get. But what I want to do is hold the Alt key when I match that curve and then bring the antenna back toward the node. But I want the antenna to be in the same direction which I want the line to follow next. And so the line coming up and then sweeping to the left, I want the node to be like that. And then I'll come up to the point of the flame lick and I'm going to then bend it. And again, before I release my long press on the left click, I'm going to hold the Alt, I'm going to pull in the antenna, but this time I'm going to switch the antenna so it's going in the opposite direction. And that will enable me to make that curve. And again, I'm going to then pull it tight to the template, hold Alt, pull the antenna in, and then go to the next one and make the next curve, hold Alt, pull the antenna in. And I'm just going to work my way around it. And the goal here is really to try to recreate these flames with as few nodes as possible. And the most important thing here is that Alt key and then dragging the antenna back toward the node, but in the same direction that you want the next point and the line to follow. And so we just swing around there. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you in the next.